renewable energy, mobility, high-tech production, ideas for an innovative future, innovative companies. J. Schneider Elektrotechnik GmbH is located in Offenburg in southwestern Germany, a region where innovative companies shape the future, and J. Schneider Elektrotechnik is one of them. The company employs a workforce of around 300 at the works in Offenburg-Elgersweier and at the head office in the Helmholtzstraße in Offenburg. The management and workers think of themselves as a large family who work together as a team. This idea was firmly established in the company by the senior manager, Karl Schneider. Today, Bettina Schneider and Rolf Anti are responsible for continuing this business philosophy. Training young people is a part of it, and the company put this into practice with almost 30 trainees in the commercial and technical areas. The company accepts this responsibility and, in doing so, secures its future. Qualified personnel are also drawn to this medium-sized company and to its attractive location. Since 2011, it has been included in the top 100 most innovative companies, and J. Schneider produces innovative and high-quality products for and with its clients and is present on many markets. Strasbourg. Here in the heart of Europe, transport companies carry 300,000 passengers daily. 100 tramcars have to be regularly maintained. The specialists at J. Schneider Elektrotechnik in Offenburg service the electrical motors in the service center and take them apart. They are then electrically and mechanically checked, and the necessary repair work is carried out. The drives leave the service center as good as new and are refitted in the tramcars in Strasbourg. The trams have to do another 500,000 kilometers before the next overhaul. Electrotechnical specialists also repair the electrical drives at the companies on site and indeed around the clock in emergencies so that production continues. In the service center, a more thorough inspection is done. Electrical motors of up to 10 tons with ratings up to 3,000 kilowatts are expertly examined, rewound, and mechanically refurbished. So when the motors leave the service center, they have been thoroughly tested. Specialist know-how is needed for servo motors. This new generation of electrical motors are adjusted and serviced by the company. They are needed for automatic production. The origins of the company go back to the last century. Johann Schneider founded his workshop for electrical motors in 1939. A big step was made in the 1960s as the heterogeneous medium voltage power grid in Baden was converted to 20,000 volts with the help of J. Schneider Elektrotechnik. Over these 10 years, our knowledge about transformers increased a lot, and after this, we were in the position to build new transformers.
Mit dem Neubau von Transformatoren zu beginnen.
Here in the difficult alpine terrain, J. Schneider Elektrotechnik transformers are employed. They supply the great tunneling drills with power, which, for example, eat through the rocks of the Swiss Alps, or indeed anywhere on the planet, working under the harshest conditions. The special transformers are constructed in close cooperation between the client and the company's engineers and technicians. The J. Schneider Elektrotechnik company's know-how covers a wide range of products. There are small transformers, which are produced in large numbers, as well as medium voltage transformers, produced in small numbers. Different kinds of winding materials are used, aluminum for example, or copper bands for filter chokes. The electrical transformer specialist uses foil winding in low voltage areas, or layer winding for medium voltage transformers. Water-cooled transformers with hollow conductors are also possible. One specialty is an air-insulated medium voltage transformer with inverted disc winding, which is wound vertically. The windings are impregnated in a vacuum process, depending on the size, as here only the coils. Diameters of up to 1.6 meters are possible, or complete transformers and reactors. Finally, they are hardened in a polymerization oven. The assembly of transformers and reactors is carried out with precision. Winding material of up to 20 tons can be produced as single transformers or built into a complete system. Oil-insulated transformers are dried in the vacuum oven and filled with oil. Only top-quality products leave the transformer production at J. Schneider Elektrotechnik. All these numerous products have to go through the most up-to-date testing and examining processes before they are sent to the clients. The energy revolution, whether wind, solar, or biogas, or ultracapacitor buffered pitch systems, battery buffered monitoring units for emergency lighting, or UPS systems. J. Schneider Elektrotechnik, with its know-how and innovation, is one of the leaders in its field. The development and production of these systems in Offenburg ensures the highest quality standards which are demanded by this sector. All the conductors and technical devices are tested individually in the test computer. The stored data is available at any time. Ultracapacitors are used for short-term backups, batteries and fuel cells for longer-term bridging times. As a VDS-certified company, J. Schneider produces UPS systems for the complete security sector. Apart from single modules, big buffer systems like this 1.6 megawatt installation are measured, produced, and finally tested on the high-voltage test rig at J. Schneider Elektrotechnik. The company's portfolio also includes AC UPS systems for the IT branch, as well as for specific industrial use. The many clients in industry, transport, media, and the finance sector trust in the specialists of J. Schneider Elektrotechnik for regular maintenance and, in emergencies, repairs around the clock. The spark connects. A few thousand volts see to that. However, only controlled flashovers can be used industrially. The company's high-voltage devices control flashovers. High voltage means, in this case, 1,000 to 150,000 volts with a performance of up to 100 kilowatts, air or oil insulated. This electrical power is used for the coating of spectacle lenses. Other uses are found in sputtering, electron beam evaporation, electro-beam welding, ion beam systems, and in high-voltage plasma, which is used in applying different materials. The engineers work closely with their clients during the different development processes, from switching topology, the routing, telediagnosis support via internet to prototype testing. Only then does it go to production. Finally, every high-voltage component undergoes a final test before it is sent to the client as a single device or as part of a complete system. These are all important requirements for the highest quality that J. Schneider Elektrotechnik delivers in all its products. Innovations for the future.